Welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, we'll learn how to show a message box when a button is clicked in a Windows Forms application using PowerShell. First, we need to load the libraries. This allows us to use the graphical components necessary for our application. We're including the libraries we need for our Windows Forms application. Next, we'll create a new form that will serve as our application window. This line initializes a new form object. Let's now create a button that users can click. We will create a button that users can interact with. Here, we're creating a new button object. Let's set some properties for this button. We need to specify what text will appear on the button. This line sets the button's text to "Click Me," letting users know what action they can take. Now, we will add functionality so that when the button is clicked, a message box will be displayed. We associate a script block that runs when the button is clicked. In this script block, we use MessageBox to display the message. Next, we need to add our button to the form so that it can be displayed to users. We're including the button in the controls of our form. Finally, let's show our form with the button. The command Show Dialog opens our form and keeps it present until the user closes it. Now, let's see this in action. Let's review the entire code snippet we've created today. Now let's execute this code to see our form and try clicking the button. And there you have it. You've successfully created a button in your PowerShell Windows Forms application that displays a message box when clicked. Happy coding!